the next topic is the magnetic field due to a current carrying circular loop. But first thing is there that we must know that what is circular loop. So if we are a straight wire, we are having a straight wire and we can make a round, means convert the wire into a circle. Then this circle of one single turn is called circular loop. Okay. Now listen students, let's take the example. There are two means diagrams. One is given in, these are given in your book. So we must learn that how can we detect the magnetic field due to a current carrying circular loop. In this we will take a cardboard, that is a piece of cardboard like this, and we have made two holes inside the cardboard. Okay, now we will fix the two ends of the circular loop in the holes, and these are the ends of the circular loop. Okay, both the ends are connected with the battery V volt and a key is also there. Okay, now we will start the current. When the current flows, afterwards we will sprinkle some iron fillings. We will see that the iron fillings also get arranged inside in the form of concentric circles around this point on the cardboard, and at the mid we will get a straight line. So actually this activity is also given in your book. This activity represents that around each point on a circular loop the magnetic field is present in the form of concentric circles. Okay, so actually why they are present in the form of concentric circles around a circular loop? We know that we have studied that if a straight current carrying conductor wire is there, then around a straight conductor at every point, suppose this is a point, so at around every point the magnetic field is present in the form of concentric rings that we have studied in the previous topic. Okay, at every point, around every point. So this is a circular loop. Suppose let's take a very small part of this circular loop here. The very smaller part of the circular loop act like a straight current carrying conductor. Okay, suppose we are having a ring, and when we cut the smallest part of the ring, then we are not able to determine that whether this smallest part is straight or curved part. So the very small part of the circular loop act as a straight conductor, and around every straight conductor the magnetic field is present in the form of concentric circle. So at every point the magnetic field is present in the form of concentric circles around every point, but we have mentioned the magnetic field due to the 2 points only. Okay, now the next thing is that at every point the magnetic field is present in the form of the concentric circles, and at the center of the ring, that is at the center of the ring, the magnetic field is present in the form of a straight line, because here also we will get concentric ring, here also we will get the concentric circle, here also we are getting the concentric circle. So the effect of all the points will be there, that at the mid all the magnetic field lines are concentrated and they gave a magnetic field in the form of a straight line, uniform, as well as all the magnetic field lines are concentrated at the center. That's why we are getting the strongest magnetic field or maximum magnetic field through the center of the circular loop. Okay, now if we will put a magnetic compass here, then also the needle of the magnetic compass get pointed towards the direction of the magnetic field. Okay, now one more thing, how can we detect the direction of the magnetic field lines to the circular loop? So one point is there, we can detect the direction of the magnetic field around circular loop by right hand thumb rule. In this rule, we know that it is a small point and a straight current carrying conductor. So because the smallest part act like a straight current carrying conductor, and around the straight current carrying conductor we can detect the magnetic field by using the right hand thumb rule. So when the current is moving upwards, then the direction of the finger is the anti-clockwise. So the magnetic field is anti-clockwise. Here the current is moving downwards. So again we will apply the right hand thumb rule. If the thumb is downwards, then you know that the finger have been curved like clockwise. That's why the magnetic field is present in the form of clockwise pattern. Now the next thing is that this is all about, okay, this diagram is also given, means at every point this is a point where the if current is passing through the coil, then we are getting the pattern of magnetic field lines in such a way. Now what is circular loop? I have mentioned some points. Circular loop is a wire bent in circular shape having large number of straight small wire because it is made up of small straight conductor components, and the magnetic field around each point is present in the form of concentric rings. Okay, in the form of concentric rings. Now here we go with some other points, like at the center of the loop the magnetic field is present in the form of a straight line, and it is also uniform. Uniform means एक जैसा होता है. Okay, now there are three factors which are which actually affect the magnetic field due to circular loop. Number one is current. If we increase the amount of current flowing through the loop, then the magnetic field lines or the magnetic field increases because the amount of magnetic field increases. B is the magnetic field. Okay, symbol. So on increasing current, the magnetic field due to circular loop increases, and if we increase the distance from the loop, then magnetic field decreases. If we are moving here, then we will see that the magnetic field is lesser, but near to the wire or when distance is lesser, then the magnetic field is more. Next one is the number of turns. If we are having the straight wire and we are increasing the number of turns from the wire. Suppose we have made like this one loop, but if we are making number of turns, we have increased like this, then we know that the two parts are there, so the effective magnetic field from the 2 points will be there. Okay, so actually the number of turns, when we will increase the number of turns, then the magnetic field also increases because the current is flow of current will also increase. That's why the amount of current, if number of turns will increase, then the amount of current consumed will be more, and in that case the magnetic field will be more. Okay, so this is the topic.